Nail stickers. Girls will love these beautiful cute kawaii nail stickers. Up to 75 plus designs on a single sheet. 1. Safe/Non-toxic Meterial lgort mixed nail sticker are made of environmentally friendly materials, non-toxic, not limited to any skin. You can use it safely, even for pregnant women. Easy to use. 1. Apply nail polish. 2. Use tweezers to peel off the pattern softly from base paper. 3. Stick the pattern on the nail and press the pattern for a few seonds. 5. Apply a disposable seal. Fit all nail type. Our nail stickers are self-adhesive, fit most natural or false nail, easy to apply and free from soaking. Perfect gift. The nail art decal set is an ideal gift for your kids to DIY at home, great for your fingernails and toenails decorations. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use. I am still a beginner, so I am happy, but I did think they were stickers, but other than that they okay. Just soak them in water for 10 seconds and they slide right off.